Hi friends, hi students. Today I've got a very interesting story to tell you guys in fashion design creation in draping classes. So just have a look. I've got a very interesting structure with me. Very simple and interesting. I've got this material. This is this Georgette viscose material, and what I've done, I have made it like a bag. I've just made it like a bag. You can see there's a joint here, and it is circular. It is circular, it is cylindrical, and it is like a bag. So what is happening here, once I have the entire fabric, I turned it around like a sarong, and I stitched this top portion, the side portion, and also I joined the bottom portion. So one portion is open just like a bag. You can see this is just like a bag. So what I'll do, I'll just put this bag structure over it. Now you can understand like what I mean to say if it is a bag. Just have a look. See how it looks. It looks like that I have draped a material which is like a bag over the body. Now what is it going to be? There has to be different kind of innovative ideas. You have to keep planning if you want to create some new design. So while thinking that, it is very important for all of us to bring out new innovative structures, new patterns, new draping concept, and try it out on your own, so that whatever is not existing in the market, you can apply them into your own design creation, into your own design endeavor. So this is what we are doing today. So just hang on, have a look. So this is the material which is wrapped on. So I have to see what are the places that requires opening. So here I have to cut out a neckline, here I have to cut out to be given over here so that the arm can come out and the entire fabric can drape down. That's all. So let's see how do I cut this. Now you can see that I have got this material laid on the table. So this portion is a folded portion where the top portion is stitched, and it has an underneath part where the body was supposed to go in. So here I have to cut the neckline, right? So when I have to cut a neckline, I have to take a central measurement, and as well as I have to cut a armhole on both the sides. So if I have to take the center measurement, what do? I do not measure anything. I just simply fold the material. I fold the material, take the material folded like this, right? I fold the material like this, and I simply cut the material this portion, the neckline. So what I'll do, I have already folded the material and spread it properly so that this is the center. Now what kind of neckline do I make? That is up to me. So I can just take around 3 inches away and make a small cut which is approximately 3 inches by 1 inch. So that will be the back portion of the neckline. So now I'll have to manage to cut the front of the neckline also. So after this portion is cut off, so I have already cut out the neck part. Then there is one back portion and one front. So let me consider this portion as the front and this portion as the back. So I'll just lift it up like this, and from here I'll have to join this two part and cut out the front neck. I wanted the front neck to be a little deeper. We consider that the front neck is to be cut a little deeper, and I cut it in a just V shape. So this V neck portion is done. So there is a wide neck. You can see that there is a back portion and there is a front portion which has already been cut out from here. Now my next work will be developing the armhole. So let us see how to cut the armhole. As I just told you earlier also, that you have to just join both the part of the edges, fold it properly, and then make the armhole. Now the interesting part is, this is a straight just like kaftan, you know, the kaftans and certain nighties have got straight shoulder. The shoulder is not sloping. Okay, so rather I would not cut exactly from here. Maybe I'll scoop out from the bottom over here to give it an interesting look, so that the top portion also falls and flows and gives a interesting flap. We just cut off approximately 3 to 4 inches down and then cut out the arm. So I'm cutting the armhole according to the measurement which is required. I'm not taking the measurement with the help of measuring tape, because it is something which is very understood. You can take the measurement of the armhole, like this has to be around 8 to 9 inches. Okay, so the entire armhole will be around 16 to 18 inches. So those are some of the things which you can manage to develop. So now you can see the neck portion is ready, the armhole is ready. Now I'll be draping it. Now I have got the entire fabric which is cut off. The bag which was there earlier, which was stitched already like a bag form, which I just showed you. Now it has got a back neck and the front neck, and on the side portion I have cut out 2 holes like that, but there is a shoulder which you can see, it's popping out like the edge of a pillow cover, edge of a bag. Okay, that is an interesting part of the drape, interesting part of the concept behind the design pattern. Okay, now I'll have to put this on the dress form to check out if the fitting is proper, if the fall is proper, and that's it. Now you can see it is falling on the shoulder much properly than the earlier one. You must have seen that, and the arm is going to come out from here, and I can put it on somebody. You guys can make very simple garment like that. Since this is georgette and viscose and it is falling very nicely, softly, with a very fluid look. So you can see that the arm is going to come out from here, and this is the flap, a small flap which is falling like on the shoulder, over the shoulder, which is very interesting to look at. That's how you can actually imagine to create some nice design, right? So if you want, you can wear a belt. If you don't want, you can just leave it like that. So this is a kind of a concept which is just created out of the drape concept, drape mechanism, drape engineering. There's a fashion engineering that I can tell you. Okay, those who are learning BSc in fashion or BTech in fashion, they will understand these very small things, which is actually engineering. Though it is a very simplistic mechanism of draping, tailoring and the construction of garment, but nevertheless this is science. This is science, guys. And those who are interested to develop this kind of pattern, you can see the back portion. The back portion is coming across here and it is perfectly alright. So you can develop more effects if you wish. You can give small pleats so that it actually gives a very nice tight look. In case on the waist you want to show that I don't want to make it loose as such, so you can give a small button over here, so that can act as a fitting. Okay, just have a look. It can give you a nice fitting. You can just taper it like this over here. You can stitch the fabric, extra fabric, and still give a stylized character. So this actually gives you a stylized character once again. And the back also you can do similar thing. So I can take the fabric and go at the center and make it look like a very stylized form. So these are some of the experimentation that you need to keep on doing in case you want to study fashion designing or stitch them and sell it, you know, or wear it for your own self. So see this look at the back, the fabric, the tapering, the overlapping, and you just need to make a small tuck, a small stitching over here, and the entire garment is ready to wear. And you can see the fabric is properly fitting. Now after doing that, you know, this pleat, the waist is tapered, and you can actually see how nicely the tapering of the waist looks from both the sides. So I hope to shoot this on somebody wearing it. Now you can see the dress is worn by my supermodel. Now see the dress, okay? The arm is coming out properly. I haven't stitched it and I haven't finished it yet. I'll be doing it if she wants to wear it, because she's excited to wear it after she finds that it is fitting. Is it fitting to you?
Yes.
You like the dress?
Yes, very much.
She was very excited, so she found out a nice locket, a neck piece, and then I stylized her with this sunglass and the makeup also. Okay, excited to wear this dress. So now the best part is the sleeve. You can see the sleeve. All is coming out from here. You can lift the hand and show that this is the look. Now the sleeve can fall like a point which is outward, upward, and you can also tuck it inward, and you can see that like a small bag, like inside a small bag the sleeve can also behave. So this kind of character, this kind of fabric, this kind of pattern, if you can actually manage to, I just gave you a suggestion that how a design can be made. You can lift up your sunglass if you wish to. I said that my face has been covered, so I want to lift up my sunglass. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, thank you for being with me, and I hope you like this dress, and I hope you'll be making this dress soon after this particular you watch this episode. Thank you so much for being with me. Bye. Thank you my model. Thank you my model. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I hope you will be experimenting, and showing me some of the designs that you people have developed. Thank you so much. Bye.